Lollipop Chainsaw presents. They're loud. They're evil. They're the bosses of zombie rock. All your favorites are here. Like Zed, the punk rockin' misfit.
Your ass is mine!
VK, the king of Viking metal. Josie, the master of funk.
Time to get the fuck out!
Mariska, the queen of psychedelia.
Into the world of everlasting peace.
What the F?
And many more.
Let's cut this bitch into bite-sized chunks!
The bosses of zombie rock. They'll make your ears bleed.
Listen, lady, why don't you try using some deodorant? Because honestly, you smell like shit.